Nowadays, talking about facial cosmetic surgery is more widely accepted and common. Surgeons like Dr. Jose Luis Salas have developed techniques that are less invasive and capable of offering excellent and more natural results, and with a quick recovery. Dr. Salas has worked with the best cosmetic surgeons in the world, keeping himself updated and developing his surgical abilities to offer his patients the best results. Facelift, rhytidectomy. A facelift cosmetic surgery can improve the most visible signs of aging through eliminating excess skin and achieving facial and neck rejuvenation. Regain your self-confidence. It is time for you to feel young again. Mini facelift. This cosmetic surgery procedure focuses on the problem areas of the face where aging signs appear. A cosmetic surgery procedure for patients who wish for a subtle change and a fresh look. Forehead lift. A forehead lift is a cosmetic surgery designed to rejuvenate the upper third part of the face, improving hanging eyebrows, forehead wrinkles, transverse and vertical lines on the base of the nose. Eyelid surgery, blepharoplasty. As we grow older, our eyelids lose their firmness. The eyes show our age more so than any other part of our body. Eyelid surgery is a highly individualized procedure. Bags under the eyes of a 25-year-old will be treated differently than the bags under the eyes of a 50-year-old patient. At Clinica de Cirugía Cosmética, we make sure to follow a personal procedure for the aging signs of each of our patients. Earlobe repair. The main goal of this cosmetic surgery is the remodeling of the ear's cartilage and earlobe repair. Remodeling of the ear, otoplasty. Some patients go with Dr. Salas for correction of prominent or asymmetrical ears, and they can fully be improved in size and shape. Cosmetic nose surgery, rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty consists of the remodeling of the nose's cartilage and bone in order to achieve an aesthetically appealing result that lets the patient breathe normally. This surgery is considered by most cosmetic facial surgeons as one of the most complex and with a high degree of difficulty. At Clinica de Cirugía Cosmética, our certified surgeon will examine the form and function of your nose, as well as its bone structure and soft tissue. During consultation, you may see some before and after examples of patients that have gone through the same surgery. If after surgery the nose looks better, natural, and can go unnoticed, then we have fulfilled our mission. Cheekbone augmentation and face implants. Having high and firm cheekbones currently represents a standard of feminine beauty. However, the reality is that most of us are not born with these features. But there are multiple procedures that can improve your facial profile with great success, like implant surgery or facial fat transfer that allows us to obtain permanent and natural results, or facial filler procedures that offer short-term results. Neck and cheeks liposuction. A young and firm facial outline on the cheeks and neck can turn heads everywhere. If age or genes seem to go against you, cheeks and neck liposuction is a cosmetic surgery procedure that will give you a natural, slim, and elegant look on your cheeks, neck, jaw, and chin. We create a more elegant appearance in women and a masculine profile in men. It is a minimally invasive procedure of short recovery time with no visible scars and a harmonious and natural result. Facial fat transfer. As we get old, our tissue, skin, and facial muscles begin to lose elasticity, starting with loss of volume and the presence of the first signs of old age, like facial folds. These factors can be reverted with a graft or fat transfer to restore the lost youthful facial contours. Facial liposculpture. For every patient, including men and women that look for a well-proportioned facial contour, facial liposculpture cosmetic procedure can be the best option because it is a surgical procedure which slims down the cheeks, eliminates the double chin, and refills areas like lips and cheekbones, enhancing facial beauty. Lip lift. As we grow older, our upper lip starts to hang, and we can identify it in older people when they talk and their upper teeth are not visible. The solution is a lip lift surgery. All of the patients that have this cosmetic surgery obtain great results. Lip augmentation. Having full and sensual lips has become more and more popular in recent years as a sign of youthfulness, sensuality, and vitality. Lip augmentation cosmetic procedure can be an excellent solution with natural results in harmony with each patient's facial features. Chin augmentation. Currently, men and women are looking to make their facial features more attractive by increasing the volume and projection, like in the case of the chin implant, which can provide great benefits to the patient, offering a natural result and a more agreeable and projected profile.